Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, so begin by locating iCloud Drive on Mac Use Finder, on iPhone Use Files. Once you see folders, start with large, non-essential items, select and move them to Trash or Delete. If you want to keep a copy, drag to desktop or export to an external disk now, because deleted iCloud files sync across devices. Make sure to pause syncing on any device if you need a local backup before permanent removal, and proceed methodically folder by folder. Now focus on freeing space. Delete selected items, then empty trash or recently deleted. This final step actually frees your iCloud quota. Use iCloud. COM for bulk selection if a device UI is slow. It's faster for many small files. Also inspect app folders like Pages, Keynote, and any third-party app containers because they often hide data. Once done, review storage settings to verify used versus available space, and repeat deletion for overlooked folders. To finish, verify the change in iCloud storage summary in Settings or System Preferences. Make sure used space reflects deletions. If files still appear or sync stalls, sign out of iCloud on the affected device, restart, then sign back in. This forces a fresh sync. If you accidentally removed something, check Recently Deleted. You can recover within 30 days. Finally, consider disabling iCloud Drive for certain apps if you want selective sync going forward to avoid filling the drive again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.